Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I want to show you today's how to change the handguard on the Crosman dpms. As you see, it's one I've already changed the stock on. This was an original dpms. I hate the stocks, they have to be changed. I was unlucky enough to get this before they started making the R1. We don't really like tan here, so we stick to the black, and we're not getting the R1 black, so here we are. Crosman dpms. It's quite a simple thing to change. You take this little screw out here, should only be a little Phillips. You take your couple of screws out along the side, on each side. There should be two on each side if I remember correctly. This is one that I've already changed in something else. It's not going to take long. Now that's the barrel I'm going to swap out for. M-lock. It's like a Punisher theme. I quite liked it. Seemed to fit the build what I wanted to do, so I went with it. Once you have your muzzle off, obviously that's a change one. I hate the thing that come with that and all that. It's just, I don't know what they're trying to do there. It's terrible, that muzzle come with them. So once you got that off, your barrel's going to slide off. Handguard, sorry, it's going to slide off. Now, I've used the original screws that come with this. All I've had to do is cut that little notch just to fit back in place. This part here, I didn't really have to do it. I haven't put a screw into it, it just helps it hold it in place a bit better. Means it's that tight, you can tighten it up a little bit more. I ain't got a lot of play in it, but it's better than the original. They definitely look a bit better. You stick your screws back in there. There you go. But there's always one in there. She's one of them ones, they fit better earlier. Right, once you finally got your screws in place, after a small bit of editing, but that was a nightmare. Right, you are going to want to get a barrel nut to go in there. It will literally just hold that in place for a free float. You can, if you want to. Extend your barrel a little bit with the old airsoft extension. It ain't going to give you any extra fees or anything, or power up. Obviously once you get your nut in there, that will stay nice and tight. Personally, I don't like using this, I've got a better version. I like the silencer. Fit down in there. That's a lot better. Already, so once that's tightened up and you've got your little barrel mount in there thing, whatever you call it, that holds it nicely in place. Then that's basically all you got to do, guys. You stick the old gear back on there. Further back. Where's that one? God, everything seems to be broken today. I don't know what it is. Must be the Chinese stuff as usual. There we go. That's why you should check everything before you start. Minutes. It's really quite a simple job, guys. See that mag sleeve, Mojo mag pull back on. Easy, simple. takes minutes. Let me know if you need any help with that, guys. I'm always here to answer your questions. Like and subscribe when you can, please, and thank you for watching. Enjoy.